Welcome to the fascinating world of mindfulness therapy. Mindfulness therapy is one of the more modern forms of cognitive therapy, or CBT. The main focus in cognitive therapy and mindfulness therapy is to change the underlying patterns of habitual reactive thinking and reactive emotions that create our anxiety, depression, and stress. A very large part of mindfulness work is learning to recognize these patterns, to seeing how they work, and in becoming aware of them, we begin to break free of them quite naturally through that awareness. This is called the recognition function of mindfulness. But mindfulness offers much more than this. It also is about cultivating a positive relationship with our emotional suffering, with our anxiety, with those places inside which hurt. Research has shown over and over again that if you resist or avoid your emotional suffering, it will simply feed and get stronger. But if you create a environment around that emotion based on acceptance, on friendliness and compassion, then that provides the right conditions in which those emotions will begin to change and heal. This is a very large focus in mindfulness therapy, establishing the right kind of relationship with your emotions that allows them to heal. So, that's a little bit about mindfulness therapy. Now, what about the online component of the service that I offer? Well, cognitive therapy and mindfulness therapy are very much based on teaching and on practical work that you do as a client, because this is your process of learning to work with your emotions. The function of the therapist is simply to guide you in that objective, and this works very well through the online format of Skype. And actually, there are studies that show that it actually enhances the process of therapy because it's much less intimidating than seeing the therapist in his or her office. So, if you're interested in scheduling a session of online mindfulness therapy, or indeed visiting me in my office in Louisville, Colorado, then please send me an email and we will discuss how mindfulness therapy can help you with your specific anxiety, depression, or stress. Thank you. I look forward to hearing from you.